Honey is an effective natural remedy for cough. Clinical research has found that certain types of honey, such as eucalyptus honey, citrus honey, and labiatae honey, can significantly reduce coughing in people with upper respiratory infections. It is particularly effective at relieving acute nighttime cough, helping both children and adults sleep more comfortably. Some studies have even shown honey to be as effective as, or more effective than, over-the-counter cough medications. This makes honey a safe and accessible remedy for mild respiratory symptoms, with fewer side effects than many pharmaceutical alternatives. However, honey should not be given to infants under 1 year old due to the risk of infant botulism.